Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Fitbod and ask, is it a scam or is it legit? In order to do so, here we are in the Fitbod app for Android. And as you can see, we have our homepage here where you can see different exercises that are tailored to your situation. So when you first set up Fitbod, it's going to ask you a series of questions and it's going to help you tailor a workout that is good for you. So you could see here that we have 7 exercises. We've got our dumbbell curls, dumbbell bent over rows, hammer curls, seated dumbbell curls, etc., etc., etc. So you could see here for yourself what you can expect from Fitbod, and Fitbod is going to help you come up with workouts that are good for you. When you're ready to go, you can click Start Workout there. But before we do that, let's just look through some of the functions here. Let's go ahead and click on Body. And you can see here that we have Health Connect. Set up Health Connect. So Android's new Health Connect links info from all your fitness and health apps in one place. Sync it with Fitbod for workouts that account for activities logged in other apps. So that's quite nice. If you are using other fitness apps, then you can use Android's Health Connect to log all of your different workouts in the same place. So we have a few other things here: body fat percentage, weight. Let's go ahead and take a look at weight here. And you can see now that it's asking us to add data. So we can go ahead and click on Add Data, and you can actually specify here how much you weigh. So I'll just put in my weight there. And that didn't take. So let's see here. What are we missing here? So we'll just hit Next. Okay. And then we'll hit Add. Okay. Well, it's not taking that for some reason. So actually it did. Here we are. So we're back here and it did now notice that we are at our weight here. And then body fat percentage. So we can add that as well. And all of these points of data are going to help Fitbod understand better where your fitness situation is and what you can do in order to improve that. So let's take a look at targets. You can maximize your gains by hitting the optimal volume per muscle. Fitbod now generates weekly volume targets for you based on your goal, workout count, and training time. So this is going to help you track your workout targets. And you can see here all the different, it'll track your history and keep you on target with your workouts. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the log. And you can see here in your log, Fitbod keeps track of all your past workouts, creates your next workout by analyzing this workout data. Got it. So there is a free trial and that has expired. So as far as certain limitations of Fitbod, that'll give you some idea. There is a free trial, but at some point you are going to have to pay a subscription if you want to continue with it. So I am curious to see what's going to happen if we click Start Workout. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see here, Fitbod is requesting kindly that we join the subscription in order to continue. So that's basically the restriction here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the plans, and you can see that we have $21.99 a month, or you can do the yearly for $129. So to answer the question, is Fitbod legit or a scam? Well, according to AI, Fitbod is considered to be a legitimate and reliable fitness app. According to Scam Advisor, Fitbod is very likely not a scam and has a relatively high score based on data collected from the internet, including the use of an SSL certificate and positive reviews from other websites. Fitbod is an AI-powered workout planner that generates your personalized workout plans based on your goals, weight, fitness levels, and progress. The app offers a range of customizable bodybuilding routines and is compatible with many popular fitness devices like the Apple Watch. To use Fitbod, you can set up the app according to your schedule, preferences, and available equipment. The app provides clear instructions and a clean interface, making it easy to find and load workouts. Additionally, Fitbod keeps a detailed log of your progress, tracking workouts, sets, reps, weights, maxes, and personal records. Some users have reported that the exercise selection can be inconsistent and may require adjustments, but the app is generally well regarded for its usability and user experience. And you can see for yourself what you are going to expect with Fitbod. I think that the workouts that it comes up with for you are really quite nice to have something like that that can just simplify it for you so you don't have to be too confused getting your workout started. The only restriction is going to be that you are looking at a monthly subscription. So if you are interested in that subscription, it does offer a free plan to get started. But once you get through that, then this is what you're looking at as far as your subscription. So if that's what you're interested in, then by all means, it seems like Fitbod is legit. The only caveat is that there is that subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.